Welcome to BeBalance. In this sacred space, we honor balance, harmony, and the power of collective intention. Today, we will meditate on world peace, a vision of humanity united, where leaders around the globe lay down their arms and choose life, compassion, and peace over conflict. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air nourish your body. Exhale slowly, releasing tension and settling into the present moment. Begin by focusing on breath. With each inhale, draw in a sense of calm. With each exhale, release any heaviness or anxiety. Bring your awareness to your heart center, imagining a warm, golden light there. This light represents peace, love, and understanding. Repeat silently or aloud. I am peace. I am love. I am balance. Allow this golden light to expand, filling your entire being with warmth and serenity. Now, envision the golden light extending beyond you, radiating outward. See it spreading to those around you, touching their hearts, and then flowing further to your community. Watch it move across your country, across borders, and over the entire world. Imagine this golden light reaching people in every corner of the earth. Visualize the collective energy of peace, dissolving fear, hatred, and division. Repeat silently. May all beings know peace. May all beings choose love. Shift your focus now to the world's leaders. See them gathered in a great hall, a space filled with the golden light of peace. Visualize these leaders who once carried the weight of conflict, now laying down their arms. Their faces soften as they look at one another, not as adversaries, but as fellow humans. See them choosing dialogue over division, compassion over control, life over destruction. Watch as they shake hands, embrace, and commit to building a future grounded in peace and understanding. Repeat silently. May leaders choose wisdom. May leaders choose life. May leaders choose peace. Now, imagine a ripple effect. As these leaders choose peace, their decision inspires the world. Communities heal, conflicts end, divisions fade, people unite in shared humanity. Feel the power of this vision as if it has already come to pass. Allow yourself to believe in its reality, anchoring it deeply in your heart. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this moment, for your role in creating peace, and for the hope that fills the world. Place your hands over your heart and repeat silently or aloud, I am one with peace. I am one with love. Together we create a world of harmony. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying the energy of this meditation into your day. Thank you for being here, and thank you for contributing to a vision of peace. Warmly, Rosemary from BeBalance.